Hey everybody, Lady Steam here. Today I'm going to unbox the newest box in the box of making. This is the January 2023 Volume 2 Box 6, and we have themed this box Under the Sea. So let's take a quick look at what's inside so you can see what exciting things Steamy Tech has in store for you. As always, there's a thank you note on top. We so much appreciate your subscription, as well as a link to the videos on the Steamy Tech website, or the Box of Making website, and a page that describes the contents of your box. So our projects for this box are two things, one for the regular box and one for the bonus project. But this first project, I think you're going to have a lot of fun with. We're calling it the Hanging Octopus Coaster. And what it is one of these really cool suspended coasters. Some of you will have seen suspended tables. It's all the rage right now. So we've tried to be, cool and do something cool. But in this case, we took one of our coasters and we designed a brand new coaster for you. It is an octopus coaster. And then we've made his tentacles go down the side of the box, and you can spin your octopus coaster and play with it while you're sipping your favorite libation. So that's the Hanging Octopus Coaster. It's our main project this month, and we hope everybody really enjoys making it. It is way more complicated to put together than you might even possibly imagine. Our bonus project for this month is an octopus magnet. Now that magnet, if you got the bonus project, is a pretty simple little thing, but it's got gears on the front that will spin, and it says, "Hug like an octopus." So it's very much an octopus box, hence Under the Sea. As always in our box, we've got pin test wood and glue and sandpaper. And then we've done for our art supply in this box a really fun set of double-tipped felt tip pins. So one's got a nice brush tip and one's got a fine tip on the other end. So depending on what you're trying to decorate, you can actually use the same colors to get something really big and something really small. And that's it for the January 2023 Box of Making. We hope you enjoy it.